Give me an apple. The cat in the basket. I saw a rabbit. Children, are you thinking why I am telling you this? Because we are going to learn articles today. Before starting, I would like to read the conversation between Komal and her mother. Mother: Komal, could you please set the table? Komal: Yes, I will. Mother: Please keep me a plate, a fork, and a knife on the table while I'll make breakfast for you. Also have the glass of milk. Komal: Yes, mother. Mother: Would you like to have an egg for breakfast? Komal: Yes, thank you. In the conversation, the word used after a are nouns that begin with a consonant: plate, fork. These words are also singular in number. The word used after an is a noun that begins with the vowel. It is also singular in number. The word used after the refers to particular things. The glass of milk refers to a particular glass which had milk in it. What is an article? Articles are the words that modify the meaning of nouns and are used before them. Write down in your copy also. Articles are the words that modify the meaning of nouns and are used before them. The words a, an, and the are special adjectives called articles. There are two different types of articles that we use in writing and conversation. A and an and the are articles. A and an do not refer to particular person, place, animal, or thing. They are called indefinite articles. They are used with singular countable nouns. The article which point out some particular person, place, animal, or thing are called definite articles. The is used with both singular and plural, countable and uncountable nouns. Words a, an, and the are articles. There are some points we have to always remember. Words used before and modifies nouns, functions as adjectives, specific or general. A, an, and the. There are two types of article. First is definite article. The definite article is used for unique and specific. The an indefinite article is used in general. A and an. Example of the I want to eat the apple which is at first position from the group of apple. And the example of a and an, I want to eat an apple from the group of apple. Now here I have underlined I want to eat the apple which is at the first position from the group of apple. So here I am specifying the particular apple. An indefinite article, I want to eat an apple from the group of apple. So here I am, in general I am talking about any apple. So these are the difference between the definite article and the indefinite article. So children, there are two types of article. First is definite article and second is indefinite article. The definite article is used for the unique or specific, or indefinite article is used for general. You all know there are 26 letters in English. In 26 letters, we are having 5 vowels and 21 consonants. With consonants, we are using A, and with vowels, we are using an. As you all know, we are having 5 vowel sound. But in English, 21 vowel sound are there. 8 short vowel sound, 5 long vowel sound, and 8 diphthongs vowel sounds. Now I am going to pronounce 5 vowel sound. A, E, O, Ow, E, an ant, an enemy, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. Now we are coming to the next part. 21 consonant. There are 21 consonant in our English alphabet, and the sound is A, or you can say A. A boy, a woman, a horse, a book. Now I am going to give some example. A cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. And the example of an also. An apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an otter, an umbrella. Articles A and an are used to talk about a thing in general. Articles A and an used to introduce a singular noun. Articles A and an are used to talk about a thing in general. Article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time, that is about a particular thing. Article the is used before definite person or thing. Example, this is the book I bought yesterday. The boy in red shirt is my brother. The is used with the special names of mountains, rivers, mountains, ranges, books, trains, newspapers, etc. The Eiffel Towers, the Yamuna, the Ramayana, the Himalayas, the Times of India, the Rajdhani Express. So these are the example of the. Article the. There is an umbrella on the stall. Articles the used to introduce a plural noun. The bicycles, the erasers, the bicycles, the erasers, the ostriches, the dolls. Before completing the exercise, let's revise. Firstly, articles words used before noun and they modifies noun. A, an, and the. There are 2 types of article, definite articles and indefinite articles. The is definite article and a and an are indefinite articles. Now finally, we just revise the chapter. There are 2 types of article, indefinite article and definite article. A and an are used before singular countable nouns, and the is used before definite person or thing. The is used with the special names of mountains, rivers, mountain ranges, books, trains, newspaper, etc. So we have to remember there are 3 types of article: a, an, and the. Okay, so now we are going to see how much you have grasped from this session. And for this, we will be solving this worksheet. Okay, So let's start. Our first exercise is circle the correct article a, an, and the in each sentence. John wanted to need a or an comic book. So the noun is comic book, or John is also a comic book, and we have to put a or an in this sentence. So we are going to choose a. The class went on or an field trip. So we are going to choose a. He likes to read an or the short story, because we are emphasizing on short story, so we are going to choose the. Lisa put a or an orange on her yogurt. Orange, the sound of orange is a vowel sound, so we are going to use an. My mom likes making an or the cake from scratch. So the cake, C is a consonant sound, so we are going to use the. The dog caught a or an stick. A stick having a consonant sound, so we are going to choose a. I saw a or an otter at the zoo. Otter is having a vowel sound, so we are going to choose an. I quickly ate the or an cookies. The cookies. A or an oval is shaped like an A or an egg. So here the oval is also have a vowel sound. So an egg is also a vowel. E is vowel. So we are going to underline an. Now the next exercise, write the correct article a, an, and the before each noun. So igloo, I is a vowel. So we are writing here an. A banana, a tree, an inch, an eagle, a bench, a kitten, a saucer, an owl, a tiger. We can use over here the also, a or the, and here we can use the also, the bench or a bench. Exercise, you just solve yourself. Worksheet I am giving you for the practice. So do yourself and write in your copy. This worksheet I am going to give you for the practice. So solve this on your own and write in your classwork copy. Now we are going to complete the exercise. First is, I saw a white tiger at the zoo. Second, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Third, did you know that the sun is a star? Fourth, is someone at the door? Fifth, the postman brought me a letter. Sixth, I would like an egg. And a banana for the breakfast. 7th, the moon is hidden behind the clouds. So write down in your classwork copy, and always remember there are two types of articles. First is definite, second is indefinite. The definite article only the, and indefinite article are a and an. So here we are using the correct article in the correct place. So solve it. Bye bye. Take care.